Let's talk about solubility and Henry's law. First of all, let's see what is solubility. The solubility is actually the maximum amount of a solute which can be dissolved in given amount of solvent, and thus when the maximum amount of solute is already present, the solution is called a saturated solution, otherwise it is called an unsaturated solution. It's a very obvious thing. Now it depends on temperature. Fine. It may be directly proportional to temperature, it may be inversely proportional to temperature, depending upon whether the dissolution process is exothermic or endothermic, and whether a solid is dissolved in liquid or a gas is dissolved in liquid. Fine. So this was an overall criteria. Now let's have a look at what is the Henry's law in this. Fine. Henry's law basically deals with solubility of a gas in liquid. Like we dissolve carbon dioxide in cold drinks. Fine. So what does the Henry's law say? We know, first of all, let me tell you that the solubility of a gas in liquid is directly proportional to pressure. Greater the pressure, more would be the solubility, and it is inversely proportional to temperature, and that is the reason why the cold drinks bottles are packed under high pressure and low temperature. Fine. The Henry law said uh, that uh, the solubility of gas is directly proportional to pressure over it, or in other way we can say the partial pressure of a gas in the vapor phase is directly proportional to its amount present in the solution. That means if there is a liquid, in this I have water as well as carbon dioxide, then in vapor also there would be both things, H2O in the vapor form and carbon dioxide in the form of gas. Now the amount of or the pressure of gas or the contribution of gas into the vapor, the partial pressure of gas, carbon dioxide, will depend upon that what is the amount of carbon dioxide dissolved in the water. If I dissolve greater amount of carbon dioxide in the water, there would be greater amount of carbon dioxide in the vapor also. So the partial pressure of the gas over the liquid is or solution is directly proportional to its concentration in the solution, right? And if I eliminate this proportionality sign, I have to put a constant that is called Henry's law constant, and this is called Henry's law. Now what are the applications of Henry's law? Scuba divers, whenever they go in the water, they take cylinder of oxygen, which is actually a mixture of oxygen, helium and nitrogen, because whenever they go deep into the water, the partial pressure increases or the pressure in the atmosphere in the surrounding increases, because of which the solubility of gases in the blood also increases, and when they come out to the surface, that excess of gas which was dissolved in blood comes out in the form of bubbles, and they may block the capillary, leading to the death also. The condition is called bend. Apart from this, in okay, that apart from this, there's already one example that the cold drink or the aerated drinks the bottles are packed under high pressure and low temperature, because as per Henry's law, greater the pressure, more would be the solubility of the gas into the cold drink or the solution. Stay tuned for more videos of chemistry, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.